He hides in flowers. Don't you wish you could too? Last week I ran a nature summer camp for children that focused on wetlands and the animals that live in and around them. As we hiked to the river, one young camper spotted this gorgeous male white-tailed deer hiding amongst the summer flowers. I had walked right past him, less than a few feet away, oblivious. The male American goldfinch. He harvests, when needed, nourishment. He has no currency, nor concern to buy and sell, provided for, ministered to, and loved, just like you. I've heard about the elusive bird's nest fungus, but I've never seen them until recently, and it's no wonder. I was looking for something much, much larger. Think tiny if you want to find this organism, really tiny. And behold, on the north side of a large boulder sat tiny bird's nest fungus in the midst of wood mulch.